Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Synchrony for promotional financing tied to repairs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Synchrony's login page. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will now see a login form. In the first field, enter your registered email address. Next, input your password in the second field. If you want to remain signed in on this device, check the box next to Remember Me. Once you have filled in your credentials, click the Sign. If your login details are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. For promotional financing related to repairs, navigate to the options listed on your account dashboard. Look for the section dedicated to promotional financing or offers. Click on this section to view any available promotional financing. Review the terms and conditions associated with each offer carefully. If you decide to proceed with an offer, follow the on-screen instructions to apply. Complete any required fields in the application form. Once you submit your application, you will receive a confirmation of your financing option. Finally, check your email for any updates regarding your promotional financing approval. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.